Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate KeyBank debit card through mobile app. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Open the KeyBank mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, log into your KeyBank account with your username and password. Once you're logged in, locate the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Accounts tab to view your account details. Find your debit card listed among your accounts. Select your debit card to proceed with the activation process. Look for the Activate Card option on the card details page. Tap on the Activate Card button. You may be prompted to enter your card number. Enter the 16-digit card number from your debit card. Next, enter the expiration date found on the card. You might also need to provide your Social Security number for verification. Once all information is entered, tap Continue to proceed. Review the information you've provided and ensure it is correct. If everything looks good, tap Activate to finalize the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating your card has been activated. For added security, consider setting up a unique PIN for your debit card. Your KeyBank debit card is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.